Hello people of the interwebs. Today I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way to dice an onion. I'm Chef Cash White and I'm here today because God delivered me from my circumstances and put me in a place where I can share my love of food with you. A lot of the recipes we do here on Chef Cash White involve diced onions. So today I'm going to show you guys how to dice an onion. We're going to go kind of fast through this, so if you're on a mobile device, you can double click on the left-hand side of your screen. It'll rewind you about 10 seconds so you can catch it again. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you need, obviously, to dice an onion is an onion. Second thing is a knife. Whenever I'm using a knife for dicing, I want to make sure that I have kind of a heavier knife. It's my personal preference, but the reason I do that is so that I have the weight behind it so I can use the weight of the knife to actually do the dicing. We're gonna take the onion, we're gonna half it this way. We're just gonna you deal with half of it. You have two ends of it. This is our root end right here. We're gonna cut the top end off about right here. Just like that. Now, like I said, with a heavier knife, you can let the weight of the knife do the work. Okay, once we have the top cut off, we're gonna peel the paper off. It's very important to get all the paper off. It has a different texture, it doesn't taste good. So peel that bad boy all the way off. Sometimes the top layer of onion comes off, and that's okay. Not a big deal. Okay, once you have that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this onion and you're gonna cut it about right there. Not all the way through. You're gonna cut about this deep, leaving the root intact. Let the root hold the onion together. Just like so. Now, this is where you decide how wide you want your dice. We're gonna go about 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. So we're gonna make our dices, our slices, just that thick, going as far back as we can while letting the root hold the onion together. We're gonna slice it down. Take your fingers, put your middle finger forward and your two fingers behind it like this, and then hold it with your pinky and your thumb on the outside holding the onion together. Take the edge of the blade and you're gonna place it against that knuckle. And you're gonna take a look on the outside of the blade towards the onion and just push forward and let the weight of the knife do the work. Just like that. It's gonna fall off in a beautiful dice. You don't have to be fast, guys. Just be consistent. As long as you're consistent, speed will come eventually. All right, once you get to the end of the onion, we're gonna take it and just cut the rest of it off, leaving the beautiful root, just like this. I keep all of this, I call them trash veggies. I throw them in a bowl, and when I get enough, I make some stock. Check out a video down below. We'll have a video on how to make stock. So we're gonna hold on to that, and here you go. Just a beautiful dice. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like it, click subscribe. If you have any suggestions, comments, concerns, or testimonials, leave them down in our comments section below. Remember, as you guys watch these videos, always keep the faith, enjoy the food. God bless you guys. Love you. Today, this is where I mess up. I throw them in a bowl, and when I get enough, I make some stock. Check out a video downstairs. We're gonna have some more, if you guys, we're gonna go, I gotta think about this for a second. Plus, I think I drank too much coffee.